Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest in crafting supplies. Today, we're diving into one of the best resin epoxy kits currently on the market, the Unicone Art Resin Epoxy Craft Kit. Crafting enthusiasts and artists alike, if you're looking to elevate your resin projects, look no further. The Unicone Art Resin Epoxy Craft Kit stands out for its exceptional quality and ease of use. Let's talk about what makes this kit special. It offers a perfect 1-to-1 mix ratio of resin and hardener, ensuring a bubble-free finish every time. Plus, it's food-safe, BPA-free, and odor-free, making it ideal for a variety of creative projects. Whether you're into crafting river tables, encapsulating flowers, or creating stunning geodes, this resin kit supports your creativity. It's UV resistant, which means your creations will maintain their clarity and durability over time. Crafters love its self-leveling properties and extended 30-minute work time, which allows for ample creativity without rush. Beginners and seasoned artisans alike will appreciate its user-friendly nature. To sum it up, the Unicone Art Resin Epoxy Craft Kit is a must-have for anyone serious about resin crafting. With its crystal-clear finish, UV protection, and non-toxic formulation, it's truly the gold standard in the world of epoxy resins. Thank you for tuning in to today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Until next time, keep creating.